Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Kathleen Fayus, 29 years old, from Batak City. I have 2 kids, single mother.
What is
They
your
are
religion?
Catholic.
And how old your kids?
2 years old and 13 years old.
Okay, they are both boys or girl?
Boy and girl.
Who's the boy?
Christian race.
No, who's the youngest or the eldest?
The eldest.
Okay. And who will look for them if you're going to Hong Kong?
My mother.
And your family allows you to go abroad.
Yes.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to.
What's the reason?
I want to work for my family.
Okay. And if ever you feel homesick, what will you do?
Work hard and get myself busy.
Uh-huh. Do you have any, or anyway, what is your educational attainment?
High school graduate.
Do you go to college before?
Yes, ma'am.
How long?
1 year.
1 year. What is your course?
Hotel and restaurant services.
Okay. Have you ever worked before as a helper?
Yes, ma'am. I work as a domestic helper for 2 years with 2 adults and 2 kids. And they are 5 and 9 years old.
So what did you do as a helper in the house?
In the house, washing dishes, cooking, doing the laundry, marketing, and childcare.
Okay. And how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me.
And if ever you there is an emergency in the Philippines, will you promise not to go home?
Yes, ma'am.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Your future employer is watching you. What is your promise and message to them?
Ma'am, please, ma'am, sir, please hire me. I will do my job and finish my contract. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 22E.